Hello, ambitious IT professionals. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, having proven experiences in AI and related fields is more crucial than ever. It's not just about keeping up, it's about standing out. Having real-world industry expertise can be the key to unlocking incredible career opportunities, significant salary hikes, and securing your dream job. Let's delve into how you can thrive and make the most out of this exciting era. Career stagnation. Feeling stuck in your current IT role and seeking to thrive in the AI era? Need a clear path to secure your dream job and significant salary increases? I can help bridge that gap with real-world industry experience. Navigating AI landscape. Struggling to navigate the evolving landscape of AI in your IT career? Looking for guidance to achieve substantial career growth and salary hikes in this competitive field? I'm here to provide the practical experience you need. Career advancement. Unsure how to advance in your IT career amid the rise of AI? Want to secure a dream job and enjoy notable salary boosts but lack hands-on industry expertise? Let's make it happen together. Overcoming challenges. Overwhelmed by the challenges of integrating AI into your IT career? Searching for a way to land a high-paying job and accelerate your career growth? I offer the real-world experience you need to succeed. Thriving with AI. Finding it difficult to thrive with AI in your IT career? Need direction to land that dream job and achieve significant salary hikes? With my support, you can gain the necessary industry experience. Rebuilding with proven experiences. To truly stand out, you need to learn and work on live tasks with a coach. Together, we'll rebuild your experiences with cloud/DevOps AI/ML/Gen AI/MLOps through many proven work sample demos. This will help design a provable and highly eligible resume that showcases your expertise and readiness for top roles in the industry. Conclusion: investing in yourself and building proven experiences can transform your career. Whether you're looking to break free from stagnation, navigate the complexities of AI, or advance to new heights, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's seize the opportunities of the AI era and create a future where you thrive. For more details, take a career guidance/counseling call with Shanti Kumar V from LinkedIn.